Honestly, I would suggest you to not miss this place. I'm gonna leave with a lot of memories from here. Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog from my Munnar series. So today I am literally on a solo trip. I'm going to wander alone through Munnar, through this tiny little town, and pretty excited for this. And the thing is, I don't have anything planned as such, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to travel from Zostel to the main town, where I'll find some autos or maybe a scooty if I'm lucky. So I'm going to try my luck now, and I'm going to decide the itinerary for today when I reach there. Chalo yaar, thank you so much. Thank you. Chalo. So as you saw, there were a couple of people who were already staying in Zostel. They dropped me at this town, and I'm right now standing in the middle of the town where I'm going to find an auto. I'm sure I'm not going to find any scooty now, so I'm not even going to try that because it's too late. It's already 11 AM in the morning. So I think I'm just going to book an auto and that's it. So let's ask a couple of auto guys where we can go today and let's plan our itinerary. नहीं, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, ये छोड़ के कुछ दूसरा डिफरेंट कुछ है क्या? दूसरा डिफरेंट है? हाँ, ये छोड़ के एर्नाकुलम जो नेशनल पार्क है, एर्नाकुलम, हाँ, वहाँ जा सकते हैं क्या? जा सकते हैं ना। वहाँ क्या है देखने के लिए? जैसे नीलगिरी गारगोट है ना, हाँ, नीलगिरी गारगोट देखना, फिर साउथ इंडिया हाईएस्ट पीक है ना। So basically, I spoke to a couple of auto guys over here, and Ervikulam, right? Ervikulam. Okay, sorry for the wrong pronunciation. So we are going there. It's a national park basically, and we can see Nilgiri Thar over there. So I think it's going to be different, and that's why I was a little excited about it, a little curious about it. So we are going to go there, and I think we should just start with the ride and let's get going. Because I didn't do my breakfast, I was a bit hungry today, so I have taken a quick stop over here and I'm going to have idli vada, whatever is available. Since it's late, I think it's difficult to find idli or vada, so let's see. And after that, we are going to head to the national park. Okay, so I have reached the entrance of Ervikulam National Park, and basically यहाँ पे tickets लेना पड़ता है because I'm an Indian adult, so I had to pay 200 per head. So I paid 200 for myself, and there was a 50 rupees additional charge for camera as well, so I paid that. And now I am just going upstairs to take the bus. So the bus has dropped us to this point, and यहाँ से basically 1 kilometer walk है, and there's also one section over here जहाँ पे they're talking about the story of this park. So basically there's a lot of history attached, and they've detailed it out you know, in a very good manner. So I went inside for a couple of minutes and read about it, so I got to know about this park a lot, and I think I'm just gonna start walking now. लास्ट पॉइंट अभी और कितना दूर है? दिस इज लास्ट पॉइंट. ओके.
So I've made it to the top of the hill, and basically this is the sign over here. This is the limit. Here is the limit is what the board says, and I'm just in love with the landscapes over here. It's just beautiful, and I think it was really different than what we saw in the last 2 days. So I'm just in love with it, and I can't get enough of this place. Honestly, I would suggest you to not miss this place. And the most unique thing about this place is that it's the first national park of Kerala, and also this hill, basically the hill where I'm standing right now, is called as Anamudi, and it's the highest peak of the whole of South India. So it's just amazing. Views are breathtaking, and I just don't feel like going back, but I think I'm just gonna sit here and relax for a while and then head back, because I have to. There's a time limit of 5 PM, so I'll be heading back after some time. Also, how can I forget talking about the mountain goats over here, which are also called the Nilgiri Thars. And the unique thing about them is they're the most quiet species of animals. They let you touch them, and they're just very cute. I just found them very cute. So I'm heading back towards the bus stand, and it's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes for me to reach there, and afterwards I think about 20 minutes in the bus to reach the main gate of the national park. And I would highly, suggest you all to come visit this place. It's just amazing, very beautiful, and it's exactly how it looks in the picture. Also, if you get to see the mountain goats, it's going to be really, it's going to be a lucky day for you. Just amazing experience, and I'm gonna leave with a lot of memories from here, all good memories. So just very happy with today's trip. So that's all for today, guys. We've reached the main gate of the national park, and it started raining, so I'm not gonna vlog further. I think I'm gonna go back to the hostel. So yeah, it's time to end the vlog here. I hope you liked the place and also the video. If you did like the video, do like it, and also subscribe to my channel, and do comment if you have any queries and if you want to say anything about this video. And until then, see you in my next video.